And here we go once again, brainwashing.exe, initiating zombie sheep protocols. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make your channel extremely successful, popular, and monetize it so that you make a good enough income to keep going, and you can basically rely at that point that every single one of your videos is going to create more money for you than it costs to make. So let's have a look at that. Good afternoon and welcome back, ladies, gents and Pikachus. A little extra video today. I just thought I figured it out, so I might as well tell you. If you want to make money out of your YouTube channel, or any other channel I suppose, there's a certain formula that you can use, that pretty much always work, and it's like based on mathematics, right? Really simple maths. So if you work it out, you'll be able to see that it works. So I'm going to preface that by saying, it's not the most interesting video, right? It's a data video. This is instructions on how to do a business thing. So it's not going to have any memes or jump cuts, or it's not going to have any music. But if you get from here to the end, you'll know how it works. So the first thing you need to do is have a popular subject and make it available to as many people as possible. So, avoid swearing, avoid politics, religion, avoid talking about controversial subjects. Controversy is a no-no. It's too difficult to keep those videos up, and not enough people are going to be interested. So if you want to talk about those things, make a second channel for those. Excuse me. Make a second channel for your conspiracy theories or your controversial topics, and use your first channel with the mass appeal popular stuff, and that's the one you're going to monetize, right? That's the one you're going to make loads of money on. So what you need to do after you've set up your channel is pick a name that's easy to remember, a memorable name. Use an avatar that catches people's eye but isn't going to upset anyone, right? So you need to master how to be, I was going to say generic. It's not like, you don't have to be generic, but you need to have mass appeal, and that means anyone who watches you will at least give you a few minutes. So that's why I say avoid swearing, avoid anime pictures or pictures of celebrities or anything that's IP'd or copyrighted. Make sure it's you that does it. And be willing to spend a little bit of money trying to do this, right? So have a little tiny budget for your art. Get someone to write you a nice avatar picture and some graphics and stuff if you're going to do something popular, because it will be easier for you. But the main budget you're going to want to set up is a marketing promo budget, right? And this links back into not doing anything controversial. So the easiest way you're going to find that is going to work for you is to use Google Ads. So what you do, you click on your videos, you click on your promos tab, you select a video that you want to promote, and you chuck like 200 quid at it, or 150 quid, or any amount. You can chuck £1 if you want, but 200 quid is a nice good figure to throw in the early days at a video that you've produced. And like I said, make the video good, quick, snappy, no controversial stuff in there, no umming and ahhing, and basically don't make it like this video where I'm just off the cuff, non-scripted, telling you about something which I know. Put effort into the production, put effort into the scripting, and make sure that the video is fucking good, interesting, and has mass appeal. So when you've done that, go over to your promos tab, set up a Google Ads account, give them the IDs and everything, and then for God's sake, don't go near politics. I'm going to keep reimpulsing this. If you want your channel to be successful and non-frustrating to use, that's the main thing, don't go near politics, religion, anything like that. Just do the mass appeal thing. So you go to your promo tab, set up a promotion for that video, chuck 200 quid in, and give it 9 days, just over a week. That's what I used to do. And then what will happen with that money that you've put in is thousands and thousands and thousands of people will see the thumbnail of your video at the top. It might say advertised or something underneath it, depending on which browser you're using. And that will generate you views, lots and lots of views, right? And what will happen, say you get 10,000 views, you'll get 2,000 likes. Out of those 2,000 people, maybe 50 will give you money, right? So have a Patreon, have a PayPal account. Super thanks are good too, but 40% of the money goes to other people. So if I give you $1, 40 cents goes away and 60 cents goes to you. Then you got to pay tax, then you got to pay your bills or whatever, your credit bills or whatever. So not a lot of it's going to get to you, but a Patreon or a PayPal will be most of that money will get to you. And what you got to do is work out on a piece of paper, this is how many views I need to get this many likes, and out of this many likes, this is how many people I'm going to get, and this is the amount that I've worked out that I'm going to ask for, like a $5 or £1 or whatever your currency is. And then over time you'll be able to work out from those figures this is how much it cost me to do a video. This is how much I'm going to spend on promotion. This is the amount of money that I want to make from that video. And it's over those 9 days. You know, the first 9 days is going to be when you're going to make the money. Probably the first 3 days. After that, doesn't matter how much interest you get, barely anyone is going to want to pay you for that content because it's no longer new. So, in conclusion, don't go near religion, politics, anything controversial. Make it popular, mass appeal. Make sure there's no swearing in there, no stupid bullcrap like I put in my videos because I'm not looking to monetize. Then make sure that you've got a Google Ads account. It's all set up with your IDs and your bank account's linked and everything else. You know, go to your promos tab, put in a decent amount of money. And here's the bit that you need to remember is that money you're putting in, you will get back. If the video's good, if the campaign, the promo campaign is good, if all the artwork is good, if everything's done correctly, and you're doing a popular subject that has mass appeal, 200 quid or $200 into a video promo will generate way more than 200 back out of it, right? And that's what you need to do. As soon as you've got a topic that is good, as soon as you've mastered the art of making a video which is like mass appeal, which is good, and you start making money from them, just consistently mass produce as many videos as you can and then schedule them to come out one at a time. Don't do like 50 videos a day because people don't have the time for that. You won't make any money. It'll be a waste of your videos. So in conclusion, mass appeal, make sure you've got your Google Ads set up. Don't do anything stupid. Don't talk about politics, religion, controversy. Have your promo accounts with Google Ad. Have a budget set, a decent amount for each video that you want to promo and a Patreon that you can have money go into. And then work out on a bit of paper, costs, promotional cost, plus those together, that's your overall cost. And then work out you need to make this amount of money to make this cost worthwhile. And once you've done 1 or 2 or 3 videos where you've proven out this concept mathematically, you know X amount of spend is going to get you X amount of profit. That's what you're looking for, profit, not just revenue. You don't want to get £1,000 given to you after you spent £10,000 on a video. You want to spend £1,000 on a video to make £10,000 and then 9,000 is your profit. And you can take all your costs off and everything else. So that's all there is to it, really. It's not that difficult. Like I say, if you have an artist do your artwork, if you have a musician write your background music and you pay these people for their services, it all goes into your cost and you'll recover it all with your donations and your Patreon or whatever. And then, like I say, as long as you just keep those videos rolling, keep them coming out 1 per day, keep making that effort, you'll keep that income coming in. So that's the end of the section on how to do things, how to make money out of your channel. I'm sure you're creative and skillful enough to make that information into something good on your channel. Now, the second bit I want to go through is the problems that you might face. The first problem is if you didn't take my rule number 1 and you spoke about something controversial, politics or religion, especially if you're going up against the given Google narrative, you know, the woke communism that they seem to fucking love over there, expect that you're going to get hacked, so have antivirus. Expect that your bank is going to receive scam accounts, so have a decent bank. Have money in another bank account so that when your bank account gets frozen from the scam attempts, you've still got money to run on. And if possible, have another channel, you know, have another platform and another channel which, while this one goes down and is shadow banned, while you're fixing that, you've got this other one to do. But I mean, realistically, if you're going to monetize a channel, just like I say, do something mass appeal, do something popular, do music or TV programs or talking about celebrities or something that maybe you wouldn't personally like, you know, you wouldn't personally pay for, but millions and millions and millions and millions of people on the internet will be willing to pay for. And that happens quite often. I mean, I don't even have a Patreon. I don't offer any way to pay me. I don't ask for any money. But I've done 2 or 3 videos that were good, and I got sent money. I got sent gifts, or I got given things as a result of me doing that. So that just shows you people are generous. If you get the right stuff in front of their eyes on the screen and you impress something with those people, they will pay you for it. So just remember that when you set up your channel, especially if it's the mass appeal one. You might not get the results straight away. You might not see immediate results, but keep going every single day. Have one good video. What I tend to do is release the video either at like 2 o'clock in the day or 6, 7 o'clock at night. And that's when people are not at work, right? So they're either on lunch or they're back from work and they've got time to spend. In fact, you know, in the evening is better, because if they get back from work and they're stressed and they're pissed off and you show them something which cheers them up, then they're much more willing and likely to pay you for that. So just remember all that. Have fun when you're creating your videos and your channel. Keep out of trouble. Don't go against the narrative if you've got any wish or want to be popular and long lasting, and not have to put up with scam attempts and dirty tricks like I'm having to do because I talk about communism and how it's evil. So they shit on me for it every day. Don't do that. And you should be absolutely fine, and you'll make loads of money, and over time your popularity will hugely grow. I mean, for instance, I put 500 quid into Google Ads over 2 weeks, and I went from like 50 subscribers to over 1,000. Obviously my account got limited, and I've not managed to get it unlimited because I spoke against the evils of communism, you know, and Google scammed me and they won't let me have my account back, so I can't promo. But if you avoid that and you stick to your subject of popularity, mass appeal, you'll do fucking fine, and you'll make loads of money. And then with your big pot of money, see, I should have done this. With the hindsight of experience, this is what I would have done. With your large amount of money, you can employ a lawyer, and then you can talk about whatever you want within the rules or the law. And then when you get these people attacking you and scamming you and trying to trick you with their dirty fucking communist evil tricks, you can set the lawyer on them. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that and you have a great successful career with your channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now. Oh, I wish I'd known this I wish someone had told me this at the beginning. Then I would have started off with more money and more protection for what I'm saying, and free speech would have been preserved. So anyway, good luck with your channel and your videos. Enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now. Bye bye bye.